Alright, so in this video we're going to review domain and range. Hopefully I don't have to restart this video. I've been restarting it over and over because of Bell and announcements and all this kinds of stuff. But okay, so let's get started and make this quick. Domain and range, remember domain is X. So you are looking for something that goes from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to draw my box and I am going to focus on my x-axis, and without leaving my box, this is as far as I can go to the left. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, right? And without leaving the box, this is as far as I can go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. The inside is always the same. These are closed circles. Okay, so I'm going to put my little line at the bottom. And then for the range, that's y. Okay, I need to ask myself from low to high. Okay, so without leaving my box, and I'm going to focus this time on the y-axis, the lowest I can go is right here, which is 0, and the highest I can go is right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put the 5 right there, and the symbols are always the same on the inside. They're both closed. If this was open, you would see a clearly open circle, which you don't see. Okay, it's closed. Therefore, this is my range. Okay, let's try one more example. And look at this one over here. First of all, let me remind you real quick about this one. Remember, you gotta write down the points like this. This is negative 6, 0. This is negative 4, 1, and so on. So at your domain, you're going to list all the x's, and for the range, you're going to list all the y's. Okay, make a list out of them. Alright, now I'm trying to make this video super quick. It's just a quick review, and I don't want to take forever on it. But look at this one. This one seems to be one of the complicated ones. I meant to make this one end right there, so I'm going to end my box there. And there you go. Now I'm going to focus on my x-axis, make a better line. The farthest I can go to the left for my x is negative 4, and I'm looking at the domain. The farthest I can go to the right is 1, 2, 3, 4. The inside is always the same. And this one right here is a closed circle. This one's an open circle, so I'm going to leave it without a little line. Okay. Now I need to focus on the range. And for the range, I need to go from low. The lowest I can go is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the highest I can go is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are always the same. This is closed. This one's open. I'm going to leave it with no little line. Okay. Let's go on to number 6. And number 6, they're giving you the range. Or sorry, they're giving you the domain, which is x. And you gotta take these and plug them in for that x. So for example, the first one, I'm going to do y equals 3 times 2 minus 5, which gives me 6 minus 5, which equals 1. Okay. So for the 2, sorry, say it again. For the 2 that I substituted, I got a 1. Now I gotta do the same thing for the 3. I'm gonna do y equals 3 times 3 minus 5. So y equals 9 minus 5, which is 4. So for the 3 that I substituted, I got a 4. And then you would keep going the same way, finding your values. Okay. And then the next one, they're giving you the range this time. So this time they're giving you all the y. Okay, so they're telling you substitute in a 2 for the y. So I'm going to have y equals 3x minus 5. So instead of that x right there, I'm going to put it, sorry, instead of that y, I'm going to put a 2. 2 equals 3x minus 5, and I actually have to solve it out. So I'm going to do plus 5, plus 5, so that gives me 7 equals 3x. And then finally I need to cancel out that 3. I'm going to divide by 3. And I'm going to have a fraction. fraction, I think it was 2.3, that's okay. Alright, so 2.3 would be my number here, and I would do the same thing again now. For the 3, I would go 3 equals 3x minus 5, and then solve it out. Okay? And then finally on number 7, they're giving you this equation. They're giving you 0.25x plus 3. You're going into the carnival and you gotta pay $3 to enter, so that's where that 3 is coming from. And then you're paying 25 cents per booth, so that's where that 25 is coming from. Okay. If you're multiplying the 0.25 times x, that means x is the number of booths, right? Therefore, this part over here, which always stands for y, therefore y is how much you're going to pay, okay? Or how much money you need to be at this carnival. You're paying. Excuse my bad grammar, okay? How much you're paying. So I'm going to focus on letter A, and they're telling me that I can only spend $20, okay? So I need to figure out how much money I can or how many booths I can visit. So if I have $20 and I have to pay $3 to go in, I only have $17 left to spend on the booths, right? Each booth is 25 cents, so I'm going to divide this by 0.25, and I believe it gives me 68. That means I can visit 68 booths, okay? They're asking for the domain, and we said domain was X, which the domain stands for booth. If I go to the carnival and I choose not to eat any food, not to do anything but booth, the least I can, or the most booths I can visit is 68. If I don't want to go to any booths, then I could just go and eat food or whatever. So the least I can do is 0. So I'm going to put the answer over here. So if I don't want to visit any booths, I can go to 0 booths. But if I wanted to use all my money on booths, I can spend a total of 68, visit a total of 68 different activities. Okay, and then finally, just a quick review. Functions, the x's don't repeat, and you can do a mapping, you can do a graph, whatever you want to do. And if you want to see it on a graph, right, this is a function because I can do a vertical line test and only touch it one time, right? This is not a function because if I do my vertical line test, I'm going to touch it 1, 2, 3, which means that the x's repeat 3 times. Okay. Alright, that's it for domain and range review.